You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday sleeves, and everything in between. So the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you today is this crazy unit that I have on my head, all of this hair. This is the last of all of the new 13x7 Bobbi Boss units that I reviewed. So what I want to do for you is just review this unit, and I also want to do a side-by-side comparison just so you guys can actually see the differences between the units. I'm wearing it in the color 1B, so if you're interested in seeing the ways that I style this unit and the cap construction, just stay tuned for this video. Okay, you guys, so as always, you know, I'm always honest with my reviews, and honestly, out of all the 13x7 units that I reviewed, I'm gonna have to say this one's probably at the bottom of my list. I do absolutely love the curl pattern. I feel like it looks ridiculously natural, but let me tell you, this is a lot of hair. When you run your fingers through it, yes, you do get some snags, yes, you do get some shedding, but I also like the fact that it does not blow up on you. So you could see I'm running my hands through it, and it's not getting all frizzy and crazy, which is definitely a plus for me. One of the hardest parts about this unit is definitely styling it, period. The length is just crazy. It went down to my hips. As you can see, I had to cut this bad boy because I feel like trying to do anything with that length, it was just too much. Even at this length, it's like, it's a lot of work to put in. I mean, it looks cute, but honestly, I feel like I didn't really get to take full advantage of the 13x7 parting space, because the more you're manipulating it, it just gets harder and harder because these curls are so kinky, and it's really hard to style this. So if you're not looking to put the work in, I definitely would not suggest this for you at all. I would not consider this a throw on and go by any means. I feel like you have to put in work and manipulation to get it to fit to your liking. One of the things I did different with this unit is I did not pluck it or cut the baby hairs down. And so one of the things I did find, I guess, about the Bobbi Boss units is you don't have to cut the baby hairs down. You don't have to pluck the hairline, since it is pre-plucked and everything. Even the baby hairs, even though they were kind of thick, like I said, I just swooped them into the hairline and it's looking pretty natural. So you don't have to put as much work as I thought you did into the baby hairs, which is definitely a big plus. I guess I would classify it somewhere between a medium and a hard Yaki, if that makes sense. So my first favorite is hands down the Olivia. I feel like that was the easiest to maintain. I feel like it was the easiest to style, very versatile. I feel like you didn't have to put as much work into that unit. My next favorite would definitely be the Eliza. I feel like that was a more relaxed version of this, so you still get that curly look, curly vibe, 13x7, and you're still able to part it and style it to your liking without putting much work into it. The next one I would say would be the Bobbi Boss London, which is a special occasion unit. It's very soft, it's very long. It's a mix of like soft and silky. It definitely a good amount of tangling, some shedding, so I feel like that's definitely a special occasion, not your everyday wear. And then this one for me at the bottom, the most maintenance, the thickest, the fullest, the most coarse, very realistic looking, but also work will go into that. For me personally, I feel like it would be a tie between the Olivia and the Eliza, just depending on what you're feeling, what style you're going for, what look you're going for. So this is everything to the front. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. So just like with all the other units, you do get the two combs that come in like the middle of the head. You have your one comb in the back. The parting is wonderful. I didn't even put any concealer. I put concealer in the front, but I did not put it where I parted it for the ponytail. So I feel like they did a phenomenal job with the lace coloring, with the pre-plucked, with all these units, honestly. But I feel like it's all just about what vibe we are sort of going for and how much work you're willing to put into a unit. And you know, as always, I just wanted to give you guys the tea, just in case you were looking at these units and getting amped up about them, because I know that price point is kind of high. So if you're on the fence about this one and you were thinking, oh, maybe I'll try it, just know, honey, it's going to be some work for you to put in. I mean, it's growing on me and I'm liking it, but I definitely don't see myself wearing it every day, because I feel like it would definitely be like a lot of work. I would classify this as yet another special occasion unit, unless you're willing to sort of put in all the work that it would take to maintain this on a daily. I don't know how that would go for you, but let me just tell you something, that's not something that I'm interested in doing. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I hope you liked it. If you do, just smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.